Through the centuries, thyme has been used to treat different diseases and conditions such as the flu and epileptic seizures. Thyme has been mixed with lavender essential oil and was sprinkled on the floors of churches to eliminate odors as well, and long before conventional medications were invented, powdered thyme was put on bandages used on wounds to accelerate the healing and prevent infections. The herb contains volatile essential oils that possess anti-rheumatic, antiseptic, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Consuming thyme daily will prevent bacterial and viral infections and can treat chronic fatigue syndrome, Hashimoto's disease, rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, vertigo, tinnitus, and multiple sclerosis. Thyme boasts an array of vital nutrients essential for overall well-being. Abundant in iron, calcium, and magnesium. It plays a pivotal role in maintaining healthy blood pressure, facilitating proper red blood cell production, and dispersing antioxidants throughout the body. Moreover, its nutritional profile includes a wealth of vitamins A, B, C, and folic acid, alongside an assortment of essential oils and bioflavonoids like thymol, renowned for its potent antioxidant properties. Embracing thyme in your diet not only enhances flavor but also fortifies your body with a myriad of health-promoting elements. Fostering vitality and resilience against oxidative stress and nutrient deficiencies. Thyme can be used as a natural remedy against cancer as well. It contains terpenoids such as ursolic and rosmarinic acids. And regular consumption of the herb has shown that it can raise the levels of DHA in the kidneys, brain, and heart cell membranes. The essential oils in the herb can treat laryngitis, asthma, mouth inflammation, sore throat, coughs, bronchitis, throat infections, and gingivitis. The best way to consume the herb is to prepare a cup of thyme tea. Ingredients: a handful of dried thyme, 1 cup of water. Preparation: boil some water in a pot, then add about a teaspoon of dried herbs to it. Simmer the mixture for a couple of minutes more, then cover the pot and let it sit for 5 minutes. In the end, strain and enjoy your cup of healthy thyme tea.